take a look at this specialty Jeep here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2020 Jeep Gladiator Bandit Outlaw Edition, number 6. Built on the Sport 4x4 platform. Clean Carfax, low miles, just a little over 6,000 miles on this one. No accidents indicated, confirmed miles. Powered by the 3.6 liter V6 variable valve timed engine. 8-speed automatic transmission, the 850 RE Trans. Adorned with the black and gold paint and vinyl scheme that harkens back to the Trans Am SE edition. Now, if you want to check out the still picture, so you can see this thing from every angle, undersides, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. In the description is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wheels on this, 22-inch wheels, 38-inch tires. Axles underneath, the Dana 44 front and rear axles. Does have a 3.5-inch rough country lift. Hand painted insignia on them. I believe there was 10 of these made. Also custom decals as far as the Bandit Gold Edition inlays, gold patches, hand sewn, headrests, dash. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little bit closer also. There'll be a copy of the window sticker if you'd like to see how this was loaded up exactly when it was produced back in 2020. And you can hit some of the highlights of it. It does have the Black Freedom 3-piece hardtop, spray and bed liner, heated steering wheel and heated seats, customer preferred package, to name a few. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also a tonneau cover. This does have the maximum tow package with the 410 rear end. I believe it was over $15,000 worth of upgrades when these were turned into the Bandit edition. And once again, still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. One thing I want to note too is if you notice these tires, they do stick out a little past the fender flares. Know your state and local laws. Sometimes that is a no-no, but it depends on where you're located at. So know your state and local laws as far as tires exceeding the width of the fender flares. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. We'll talk about that 3-piece roof. By the way, power running boards, working order. Interior, what you'd expect again from a low mile, well taken care of vehicle. This rear roof panel will come out also. So that's the 3rd piece. 2 pieces have been removed in the front so we could kind of show you how it works. Of course, sound bar. Sliding rear window. Of course, all your modern amenities, power locks, power mirrors, power windows. Virtually no wear on the seats. As far as miles, there's your exact miles, 6,821. Go ahead and start this up. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that on. Mentioned earlier, of course, heated seats, infotainment, and then the custom dash. What a beautiful rig. This one will definitely turn some heads. If you're into smoking the Bandit, why not? What a great paint scheme. All right, I'm gonna pause this 1 second. I wanna get this hood open, take a quick peek underneath that, and we'll wrap this video up. Hood liner, and of course engine bay. Gonna be as clean as the rest of the vehicle. You can tell this thing's not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Very clean, well-maintained vehicle. And again, that's the 3.6 liter V6, very well timing. 8-speed paired up with that, the 850 RE trans. Looking for a nice specialty vehicle. Definitely will not see one of these every day. Believed to be 10 built. This is number 6, 2020 Jeep Gladiator Bandit Outlaw Edition. Clean Carfax, low miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Bandit Outlaw Edition. This is a pretty fun truck. So 38-inch tires. You'd think maybe you'd have a rough ride. You don't. It's a really nice ride. And as I really wanted to have a track to take the mid-engine Corvette out on, I really want to take this through 2-3 feet of snow, but not going to be able to do that today. We're just going on the road for you. It is a fun machine, and the black and gold design looks really good. It has good acceleration. Got a great stereo system. You know, it's a new vehicle. It's easy to drive. Power steering is, I would call it one finger drivable. Really not even noisy tires. The tires are not loud either for the aggressive tread that they have. It's a really nice driving machine. It would be lots of fun.